Good evening. So where are we now? We are at Marina Times Square area here. This is a modern area here in Miri, and this is a new area. So I'm going to bring you a tour around here, as well as later head to a very popular sushi restaurant here. In front of us is the new Shell Upstream headquarters here at Marina Times Square area. If you're going to ask me where is one of the places that you have to visit in Miri, it's definitely this area. It is the Marina Times Square area. In front of us is Taka Patisserie. Okay, now let's go to Sushi Zanmai. It is one of the best places to eat sushi here in Miri. It is located here in Times Square area. Walking to the second floor. Wow, this staircase is well lit and very elegant. We are now going to order some food. Let's check out the menu. Waiting for the food, I'm going to go out and show you around here. This place is well built, it's so clean and modern. There's also Chaji in front. Here the trees have the LED decor. Usually on festive times it's going to be decorated to different themes, like if it is Christmas it's going to have the Christmas theme and so on. To Sushi Zanmai, this is a steamboat here at Sushi Zanmai with some salmon inside and a lot of veggies. We also ordered some mushroom, lots of enoki mushroom with this steamboat, so it's quite healthy. I ordered a bowl of salmon sashimi rice. This is quite delicious. They have decorated the salmon in the shape of a rose. This one is fried squid. After eating here, now I'm going to go out here and just walk around. It's different here at night. You can see lots of lights and quite clean still. Alright, let's see where my wife is going to bring me next. She's driving now. This is the older part of the town, so let's drive around. It's quite quiet at night. In a while on the right you will see the Tua Pekong temple. It is more than 100 years old. The night vibes here, so lots of lights and it's quite peaceful at night and it's quite quiet. The next place that we're going to visit is the shopping mall. This is Bintang Megamall. This is one of the most popular malls here in Miri, and that's popular bookstore in front of us. Here there is this sign here. It says 想你的风吹到了 Miri. Alright, this is the short tour around Miri City, and these are places that you can visit if you do come to Miri. Thank you very much for watching. Till the next video again. Here is GSC, and this is one of the cinemas here in Miri City.